This channel makes more money in a month than most people make in a decade. Zack D films. 28 million subscribers, billions of views every single month, and at a normal Shorts RPM, estimates put his revenue somewhere between a few $100,000 and $2 million a month. To make those videos, he reportedly runs a team of over 50 people. Around 30 of them are professional 3D animators. Now watch this clip. Same look, same camera moves, same lighting, same voice, same style. That one isn't his. There's no team, no animator, no studio, no software. I made it with Claude and Seedance 2.5 in a single chat off 3 prompts on my phone, and it cost me exactly $0. Zero. Not a free trial, not a discount. Zero. And I'm not going to sit here and tell you it works. I'm going to prove it. 8 minutes on the clock, no budget, one video built from nothing to finished, in front of you unedited. If the timer beats me, you watch me fail on camera. By the end of this video, you'll have the 3 exact prompts I paste, the exact free tools, and the exact upload settings. Copy them and you can post your first one tonight. But stay with me, because the prompt is not the hard part. Everybody already has prompts. That's exactly why the internet is full of AI videos rotting at 300 views. The prompt gets you a clip. It does not get you views. There's one step near the end that decides whether your video dies at 300 or crosses 3 million. It takes about 40 seconds. Almost nobody does it, because almost nobody knows it exists. I'll show you exactly what it is and exactly where it goes. And there's a second thing I have to warn you about before you upload anything, because if you get it wrong, YouTube can quietly throttle your channel's reach and never tell you why. You'd just watch your views die and think the niche was saturated. But none of this works until you understand why these videos are physically impossible to scroll past. And it's not the animation. Alright, 8 minutes starts now, and the whole thing runs on 3 prompts. That's it. I'm not selling them. They're free. Type the word prompt in the comments, and I'll send you all 3 exactly the way I use them. Start with prompt number 1. Copy it from the doc. Open Claude, paste it in, hit generate. Now watch what it gives you back. Not a script. 10 viral topic ideas, built in the same lane this channel is winning with. The ones engineered so people can't scroll. You pick whichever one grabs you. I'm taking number 3. Copy that whole topic, paste it straight back into the same chat. Generate again. A few seconds. 3 full scripts, written for that exact topic. Read them, pick the one that hits hardest. And here's the part you don't want to skip. Open a brand new Google Doc and paste it there. Keep that tab open. We come back to it later, and it matters more than you think right now. And that's it. Script done. About 90 seconds in, but a script is just words on a screen. Words don't get views. The thing that actually makes people stop scrolling is what we build next. And this is where almost everyone gets it wrong. Now we build the world it lives in. Because here's why most AI videos look fake. It's not an animation. The face changes between shots. The room changes. Your brain catches it in half a second, and your thumb keeps moving. So we lock the characters and the locations first. That's prompt number 2. Copy it from the doc, but read it before you paste. You'll see the word brand in brackets. Swap that for your channel name. Now Claude burns your name into every character and every scene, so when someone rips your video, your name goes with it. Go back to the exact same chat where your script was generated. Same chat, this matters. Paste prompt 2, then type, "This is my script." Paste the script underneath, generate. And this is where it stops feeling like a tool. Claude gives you the runtime, every character, every location, the full breakdown. Then it hands you the image prompts, 1 per character, 1 per location, ready to paste. Now the characters. And this is the part I thought would cost me money. It doesn't. We're doing this inside Higgsfield AI, and right now they've opened up 33 days of unlimited Seedance 2.5, unlimited video generations. Links in the description, first line, you can't miss it. Sign up, log in, and you'll land on a dashboard. Click into the images section. Take character prompt number 1 from Claude, paste it in, then hit settings. You'll see a list of image models. Pick whichever one you like the look of. Set aspect ratio to 9:16 and turn unlimited on. Generate, then do the next character, then your locations. 1 by 1, no limit, until your full cast and every set is sitting there on screen. Mine's done. Every character, every location, locked and consistent. Now download every single one of them, all of them, into one folder. I know it feels pointless right now. It is not, and you'll see exactly why in about 2 minutes. Now upload every character and location you just downloaded straight back into the prompt box on Higgsfield. Leave them sitting there. Those are your references now. That's what keeps the same face on the same person in every single shot. Back to Claude, same chat still. Copy prompt number 3 from the doc and paste it in. Underneath it, paste your chosen script. Under that, paste the character prompts you already made. Generate. And now Claude builds your entire shot list. Every image prompt for every scene, and directly under each one, the video prompt that animates it. Give it a few seconds. This is your storyboard, written for you. Take image prompt 1. Go back to Higgsfield, Image tab. Your characters are already uploaded in that box. Paste the prompt in, set 9 by 16, generate. Image comes out, now delete only the prompt text, leave your reference images exactly where they are. Paste image prompt 2, generate, then 3, then 4. Straight down the list until every scene of your video exists as a frame. Mine are all done. Now we bring those images to life, and we're doing it with Seedance 2.5 on Higgsfield, unlimited, for 33 days, because this is where the whole game changed. Before, you were capped at 15 seconds. So you'd generate a clip, generate another, stitch them together and pray the face matched. It never quite did. The light shifted, the jaw changed, and your viewer clocked it instantly. Now it's 30 seconds in one pass, one take, nothing breaks. And there are two ways to generate in here. Both unlimited. The first one is what everyone does. The second one, almost nobody has figured out yet, and it's the reason people don't believe a studio didn't make my video. Method 1. Image to video. Click Upload Media, pick your first image, drop it into the box, go back to Claude and copy the motion prompt sitting under that image. Paste it in. Now the settings, and these matter. Model, select Seedance 2.5. Most AI video models cap you at 8 to 15 seconds. This one goes to 30 in a single pass. Set the length to whatever Claude told you that shot needs. Set your aspect ratio to match. Then turn unlimited on in the output settings. Generate, then clear the box, remove that image, upload the next one, paste the next motion prompt, generate, down the list until every frame is moving. Mine are done. That's method 1, but here's method 2, and honestly this is the faster one. You skip the images completely. Remember those character references from earlier? Upload all of them straight into the video tab as references. Then take the video prompt from Claude, paste it in, set the duration, generate. No image step, no middle step. It reads your characters, builds the shot around them, and holds their faces the whole way through. Watch what's on screen right now. That was made from nothing but references and a prompt. Both ways are unlimited. Pick whichever fits your workflow. Now download every clip you generated, one by one, into your folder. Now the voice. And this is the 40-second step I told you about. Go back to that Google Doc, copy your script. Back on Higgsfield, click the Audio tab. Paste the script in, pick your voice. I'm going with a young male read. It fits this style. Make sure the voice is toggled active, and generate. Download it. And that's your narration. Done. In the same place as everything else. If you haven't tried Seedance 2.5 yet, the link is in the first line of the description. Now open CapCut. Import your clips and your voiceover and lay them out on the timeline. And this is it. This is the whole thing. You cut every clip to the voice, not near it, on it. When the line says the door opens on that exact word. Because the second your audio and your visual drift apart, even by half a second, your viewer feels it before they can explain it, and they're gone. That's why most AI videos die at 300 views. Same tools, same prompts, no sync. Get it tight, add your transitions, add your effects, and hit export. Let's watch the result.
If you opened an artery into a glass tube, your blood would not leak out. It would jump. Your heart squeezes every second and never lets the pressure drop. So watch the tube. The blood climbs past your chest, past your shoulders. It stops somewhere above your head. Then it falls a little and jumps again. That is one heartbeat. You are standing under a fountain of your own blood, and it has been running since before you were born.
One last thing. Don't re-upload anyone's footage or copy anyone's script. Not his, not mine. YouTube will quietly kill your reach for it. Everything here generates original footage from scratch. That's what keeps you safe. 8 minutes, $0, one video. Comment prompt and I'll send you all 3 free. Higgsfield link is first line of the description, 33 days unlimited, use it on desktop. In the niche that's quietly bigger than this one, that video's on screen. Watch it next.